Welcome back, coin lovers. Today's video is going to absolutely blow your mind because we're diving into the shocking and valuable history of the Japanese 10 yen coin, one of the most fascinating and collectible coins ever minted in Japan. What seems like an ordinary piece of bronze could actually be hiding a fortune. And believe me, the story behind it is worth every second of your attention. The Japanese 10 yen coin isn't just another piece of pocket change. It's a symbol of Japan's post-war recovery, economic strength, and cultural identity. First introduced in 1951, during Japan's rapid rise from the ashes of World War II, this coin became a silent witness to the nation's transformation into a global powerhouse. Featuring the Byodo-in Temple, a centuries-old masterpiece of Japanese architecture, the 10 yen coin was designed not just for trade, but to remind every citizen of their heritage, resilience, and unity. But here's where things get even more exciting. Some editions of the 10 yen coin have unique minting details, rare years, and hidden variations that make them worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars today. Certain coins from the Showa era, especially those with no mint mark or slight die errors, have become legendary in the world of numismatics, fetching unbelievable prices at auctions and private sales. So before you spend that 10 yen coin or toss it aside, hold it up and take a closer look, because you might be holding a rare piece of Japanese history worth big money. From its remarkable design to its surprising collector value, the Japanese 10 yen coin is more than just currency. It's a treasure, a story, and a connection to Japan's golden past. Stay tuned, because in this video, we're uncovering everything from the hidden secrets of its design to the rare minting errors and high-value additions that could make your 10 yen coin worth a fortune. Now let's step deeper into the origins and early history of the Japanese 10 yen coin, a story that begins in the early 1950s, when Japan was rebuilding itself from the devastation of World War II. During this time, the Japanese government wanted a new coin that would not only serve as a reliable unit of currency, but also reflect the pride, tradition, and rebirth of the nation. In 1951, the 10 yen coin was officially introduced under the reign of Emperor Showa Hirohito. Made from bronze, this coin was designed to stand out, strong, durable, and beautifully crafted. The obverse side features the Byodo in Phoenix Hall, a stunning Buddhist temple in Uji, Kyoto, that dates back to the Heian period. This temple wasn't just chosen for its beauty, it symbolized peace, eternity, and spiritual balance, a powerful message for a nation that was recovering from war. On the reverse side, the coin proudly displays Riben-go Nipponkoku, meaning State of Japan, along with the coin's denomination, 10 yuan, 10 yen, encircled by branches of laurel leaves, a symbol of victory and honor. Every element of its design was carefully chosen to represent Japan's strength, harmony, and perseverance. What makes this coin even more fascinating is how it evolved through different minting periods and design variations. Early issues had distinct features, including reeded edges and certain mint marks that were later removed, making those first few years of production incredibly valuable to collectors today. And as Japan's economy grew into one of the strongest in the world, the 10 yen coin became a silent witness to that progress, circulating through millions of hands, from bustling Tokyo markets to quiet temples in Kyoto. Yet among those millions, a few special coins hold secrets that turn an everyday coin into a rare collectible worth a fortune. In the next part, we'll reveal exactly which year's mint marks and errors make some 10 yen coins worth thousands of dollars, and how to identify if the one you have might just be one of those hidden treasures. Now we will talk about one of the most valuable and rarest Japanese 10 yen coins, the 1951 Showa 26 10 yen coin. This coin marks the first year of issue for the 10 yen denomination and holds a very special place in Japanese numismatic history. What makes it so unique is that it was produced with reeded edges, unlike the smooth-edged coins that came later. This reeded edge design was used only in the earliest batch, and then discontinued, making surviving examples extremely rare today. Minted right after World War II, in a time when Japan was rebuilding its economy and identity, the 1951 10 yen coin represents both hope and rebirth. Collectors across the world value it not only for its age, but also for its symbolism and scarcity. If you find a 1951 10 yen coin with clear, sharp details, original bronze shine, and especially with the reeded edge, you could be holding a small fortune. In top condition, these coins have sold for over $1,000 USD and certain mint state examples have reached even higher at auctions in Japan. So before you overlook that old coin, check the edge carefully, because that tiny detail could turn your simple 10 yen coin into a rare collectible worth big money. Now we will talk about another highly valuable and rare coin, the 1953 Showa 28 Japanese 10 yen coin. This particular year stands out because of its limited mintage and design transition. By 1953, Japan's minting technology had improved, and the country was stabilizing economically. But only a relatively small number of 10 yen coins were produced, compared to later years. The 1953 coin still carried the Byodo and temple design, yet experts have discovered subtle variations in the temple lines, roof details, and edge texture compared to other years. Some coins from this batch were struck with slightly worn dies or under variable pressure, leading to weakly struck designs, and these variations have become extremely collectible. Well-preserved pieces in brilliant, uncirculated or proof condition are especially rare. What shocks many collectors is the value these coins have reached over time. Depending on the grade and die variation, the 1953 10 yen coin can be worth anywhere from $300 to over $1,200 USD, and select specimens with unique toning or perfect mint luster have fetched even higher prices in Japanese auctions. So if you ever come across a 1953 10 yen coin with crisp temple details and minimal wear, don't spend it, because it could be a hidden treasure from Japan's early post-war era, worth big money to collectors around the world. Now we will talk about another rare and valuable coin, the 1958 Showa 33 Japanese 10 yen coin. At first glance, it may look like any ordinary bronze 10 yen coin, but the 1958 edition hides some fascinating and highly collectible secrets. During this year, Japan's mint faced production inconsistencies, resulting in a few coins being struck with older dies from previous years. This led to minor but noticeable differences, including misaligned temple lines, softer strike details, and faint inscriptions, making these particular pieces extremely sought after among collectors. The 1958 coin also represents a key period in Japan's post-war development. The country's economy was rapidly modernizing, and coin production was transitioning to more efficient methods. Because of these experimental changes, minting errors and die varieties from this year became both more likely and more valuable. Collectors especially look for error coins such as double strikes, off-center strikes, or coins showing partial reeded patterns on otherwise smooth edges. These rare mint mistakes have fetched astonishing prices, sometimes exceeding $2,500 USD in high-grade condition. Even regular 1958 coins in pristine, uncirculated state are considered valuable due to their limited availability in the market. So if you find a 1958 10 yen coin, inspect it closely under good light. Look for any uneven patterns, faint temple outlines, or edge irregularities, because what seems like a simple coin from the late 1950s could actually be a rare piece of Japan. Now we will talk about the 1959 Showa 34 Japanese 10 yen coin, another fascinating and valuable piece in Japan's coinage history. The 1959 10 yen coin might appear ordinary, but it's known among collectors for its low mintage numbers and subtle color variations that make certain pieces incredibly desirable. During this year, the Japan Mint made minor adjustments to the bronze alloy composition, slightly altering the metal's tone and texture. Because of that, coins from 1959 can appear in different shades of bronze, from deep reddish brown to a light golden tint. And those with natural mint luster and clean surfaces are extremely rare today. Another reason this coin is so valuable is its historical timing. The late 1950s marked Japan's economic boom, and the minting process was transitioning to higher speed presses, which sometimes caused die wear and small imperfections. Coins with clear, sharp details of the Byodo and temple and strong edge definition are therefore highly prized. Collectors have paid anywhere between $400 and $1,200 USD for the 1959 10 yen coin in gem uncirculated condition. Proof-like strikes and coins with unique toning or minting variations can bring even more, sometimes reaching over $2,000 USD at major Japanese numismatic auctions. So if you ever find a 1959 Japanese 10 yen coin with rich color and crisp temple lines, keep it safe, because it could be one of the hidden treasures of Japan. Now we will talk about another incredibly valuable and rare piece, the 1966 Showa 41 Japanese 10 yen coin, famous for its no mint mark variety and shocking collector value. This year is special because It marked a major transition in Japan's minting process. Most 10 yen coins of that period were produced at the Osaka Mint, and nearly all carried a small mint mark just below the temple design on the obverse side. However, in 1966, a small number of coins were accidentally struck without the mint mark, creating one of the most legendary errors in Japanese numismatic history. The no mint mark 1966 coin is so rare that many collectors spend years searching for just one example. While regular 1966 coins are common and hold little extra value, the no mint mark version can be worth thousands of dollars, depending on its condition. In uncirculated or proof-like state, this coin has fetched up to $3,000 USD in major Japanese and international coin auctions. Beyond its rarity, this coin also carries historical importance. The mid-1960s were the height of Japan's industrial expansion, a period of innovation, technology, and prosperity. The 10 yen coin, still featuring the Byodo in temple, symbolized Japan's balance between ancient tradition and modern growth. So if you come across a 1966 10 yen coin, look very closely at the area beneath the temple. If you don't see a mint mark, you might just be holding one of Japan's most valuable coin varieties. Now we will talk about another rare and collectible gem. The 1986 Showa 61 Japanese 10 yen coin, a surprising modern treasure that has stunned collectors because of its limited mintage and rare error varieties. While most Japanese 10 yen coins from the 1980s were produced in massive quantities, 1986 was different. That year, the Japan Mint drastically reduced coin production, resulting in one of the lowest mintages for the decade. This sudden drop in production made the 1986 coin relatively scarce, especially in uncirculated condition. Many of the coins that entered circulation suffered from wear and oxidation due to their bronze composition, so finding a perfectly preserved one today is a real challenge. But the real excitement comes from the error coins of nicks. A few were discovered with double strikes, weak strikes, or partial reading, making them stand out from regular issues. Some even display a slightly off-center Byodo in temple design, which can increase their value dramatically. These rare minting errors have been auctioned for $800 to $2,000 USD, depending on the clarity and condition of the error. Even standard 1986 coins in brilliant, untouched mint state are in high demand. Collectors pay premium prices for those graded MS65 or higher, often between $300 and $600 USD, because of how few were struck and preserved in perfect form. So if you ever spot a 1986 10 yen coin, don't ignore it, because you might be holding one of the modern era Japanese coins worth big money. And that brings us to the end of our incredible journey through the most valuable Japanese 10 yen coins from the legendary 1951 Reeded Edge addition to the rare 1986 low mintage treasure. Each of these coins carries not only a piece of Japan's history, but also the potential to be worth a small fortune, if you happen to find the right one. The Japanese 10 yen coin may seem simple, but behind its bronze shine lies a story of tradition, craftsmanship, and national pride. Whether it's a minting error, a missing mint mark, or a rare early-year strike, these coins prove that even the smallest details can turn everyday change into a collector's dream worth thousands of dollars. So before you spend or overlook a 10 yen coin, take a closer look. You might be holding a rare piece of Japan's golden past. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Japan's most valuable coins, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing stories about rare coins, shocking values, and hidden treasures from around the world. Who knows? The next coin we talk about might be sitting right in your pocket, just waiting to change your life.